All right, guys, welcome back to the training. So in this training, I'll show you how to copy and clone a particular website and upload that website to your cPanel, then integrate the user login, registration login, admin, and the user panel all inside that particular website, right? So as you can see, there is a particular website here. I want to clone this website right now and integrate user login, registration login. As you can see, look at this website. This website comes with a login. Can you see that? This is a login. Now you cannot clone. You can clone this website and clone this login page, but from here you cannot clone the database, information on the SQL file and the word server-side scripting language I was using to write in this program. So the same way, if you come to the register now, you can clone this physical page, but nothing is going to happen. When you click register, the database takes over this program. So therefore, you cannot clone the database, right? So you have to have your own form of database system, in place that you can integrate into this. So that's what I'm just going to do in this training. I already have a script, my database information on my script to integrate into the front end of this particular tutorial, right? And this particular design, right? So I do not want to reinvent the way, I do not want to design. So I want to clone this. Then when you click on this and this, my own script will take over the action, leaving these guys behind, right? So that's what I want to do now. So I'll just go to my computer and search for my HT track. There's my HT track. So I'll click on next, click on next, click on next, click on next. So I'll just click on next and then click on install, right? So should you want to get this software, all you need to do is just go to Google and say HT track, right? So just go to HT track. So you come here and then you go to the download section and you just click on alternate site and it's going to download for you, and all you need to do is just install it. So I've finished installing it, so I'll just click on finish and it comes up, right? So I'll click on next, right? So I'll give my project name. I'll say free class, then I'll click on, so it's going to save in this directory, so I'll click on next. So I'm going to copy the URL of that. So I'm just going to copy the URL of that. So this is the URL of that. So I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it right here. And I'm going to click on next and I'm going to click on finish. So this software will go right here and copy this website, right? So the software will go right here and copy this website. So let's see how this is copied, right? So let's just give some time. We're going to take like 5 minutes, 3 minutes, and all of that, and then copy this website. All right, so you see it has finished copying, right? So it has finished copying, so I'll just click on finish, right? So I'll just click on what? Exit, right? So it's going to exit that. So let's go look for those files, right? So let's go look for those files. So I'll go to, let's come here and so I'll go to my C. Don't forget it's in my website, and we use what? Free class, right? So this is free class. Can you see that? So see, it has copied all of this. Now you have to just ignore everything that is here and come straight to here. Can you see that? The domain name of what you copy. So just open it up, and when you open it up, you are going to see all of this information right here. Can you see that? You're going to see all of this information right here. So what we're going to do here is that we're just going to what? Right click on this and send to, then we click on compressed. Awesome. So you see that file has been compressed. All right, so that has been compressed. So what we're going to do right now is we are just going to take this to our what we're going to do right now is just to take this to our cPanel, right? So we're going to take this to our cPanel, right? So let's go to our cPanel. So you can see I've already logged into my cPanel, right? I'm already logged into my cPanel. So what I'll need to do, I just access the file manager, right? So I'll go to file manager. So file manager is where you manage all your files. Can you see that? You have to click on file manager. Now if you are buying, let's say you are doing this for a client, you know you need to purchase the domain name and hosting, then log into your cPanel, right? So immediately you log into your cPanel, you come to the public_HTML where you have to upload these files to, right? Where you now have to upload these particular files to. But me, I already have website on my public_HTML, right? So I'm just going to upload this file inside a folder. So I'm going to create a directory inside this particular file manager, right? Because I already have site, so I need to have a folder where this information will be stored, right? So just watch what I'm doing. I'm going to create a folder, so I can call this free class. Can you see that? So I'll create a folder. So let me look for the free class. So this is the free class. Can you see that? I just right click and open it. You see it's empty. So I'll just upload this to the free class. So then I'll click on select file. So you see that? So select file. So I'm going to locate that particular file. I'm going to see. Then I'll go to my website. Then I'll look for that free class. So I'll open this up. Can you see that? Then this is what I actually compress, right? So I'll just look for it. Look at the compressed file. So I'll just double click on it. So it's going to upload to my cPanel, right? So you see that has been uploaded to my cPanel. So I'm just going to come here, right? So this is the file right here. Can you see that? So I'll just right click and I'll click on extract. Can you see that? I'll say extract and click on extract file. Then I'm going to close this. So I'm just going to reload this. So now I want to move all of these files inside the free class because it's already in free class /fscryptoinf.com. So I don't want this.com. So I'll just double click to open this. So this is all of the files. So I'll just select all of the files. Right, then I'll click on move. Where am I moving to? So I'll just remove this. Can you see that I'm pressing my back button to remove this and remove that. So I move. So all of the files have been moved inside what? Inside free class. So let me come here and it's free class. Let's say free class. Can you see that? So all of the files have been moved into free class. So this site will not be available here. It will not be available in my domain name.com/free class. So this is my domain name /free class. So my files and my website should automatically look awesome. Can you see that? It's coming up. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Can you see that? In less than 5 minutes. Can you see that? In less than 5 minutes, I've been able to do that. Can you see that? In less than 5 minutes, I've been able to do that, right? So I'm going to show you how we can now start editing this information right away. Let's say this is a site I'm doing for a particular client, so I want to edit it. So I want to call this particular training free class, right? So this is the logo. If I right click here now and I'll say copy image address, so I'll put it right here, paste and go. So you see the logo. The logo is on webmedia.com/free-class/img/logo1. Can I see that? So I'll just right click on this and I will save this image. I see I save it as logo1. Can you see that? So it has been saved as logo1. So I'll open my Fireworks software. So this is my Fireworks software. So I want to use it to edit the logo. Awesome. So I want to use it to edit the logo. So I'll just go from file and click on open. So this is the logo. I've opened the logo. Can you see that? So the logo has been opened. Can you see that? So this is the logo. So I can just delete this. Then I'll just do mine. I'll say what? Free class. So free class BTC. So let's say this is my site. Can you see that? Free class BTC. So if I want, let's say I want maybe I want BTC logo. Maybe I want an image. Can add an image. Just click on images. So let's say this is an image and I want this image. I'll just open this image. Can you see that? So let's say I want this. Okay, I really like this. Let me open this. So I like this. So I'll just right click and save this. So save it to my desktop. So I want to remove the background. So I'll just go to remove BG. So I'm going to upload that. I'm going to go to my desktop. So this is it. So I'm going to remove that background. See that? So I'm going to download. So let me come here. So I'll click on file now, then I'll click on open. It's on my download, right? So it's on my downloads. Open it right here. So this is it. Yeah, so this is it. Can you see that? So I really love it. So I'm just going to reduce this size to something very small. Can you see that? So I just copy this, then take it back to where I have my logo, then I paste it right here. So like this. So I can drag this if I like to. You see that? So I can just give this maybe white color. Give it a white color. And so you see that logo one of pages. I'll just save. I'll just save the PNG file. I'll just save. No need to export. I'll just save, right? So when I save, now let's go back to our website. So don't forget. So this is our website, right? This is our website. So let's go back to the manager. Don't forget this logo is in what? Free class / images / logo one. So let's go back to our cPanel. So this is our free class. Are we in free class? Yes, free class / what? Images. Can you see that? See that? So it should be here, logo one. Look at it here. So I just click on upload, select files, choose files, come to my desktop. Yeah, this is it. So just upload it. So it's going to replace. Can you see that? It's going to ask me to replace. So I'm going to replace. So I'll just reload this. So that has been replaced, right? So sometimes when you do this, it's going to take some time for it to come up. But let's just see if it come up immediately. So can you see that it didn't come up immediately? So let me refresh one more time. I just take it, just move it to incognito. Click here and click on new incognito. And put it right here. Then refresh. So you have to be patient. Can you see that? So that's come up. Some people are not patient. They just do and say, hey, it's not working. It's not working. It's not working. Web designers are patient people. Can you see that? Free class BTC. Can you see that? So I've replaced that. Can you see that? That has been replaced. Awesome. So that is how to replace any image. See that this has been replaced here too. So even this one, see this like a certificate. So the same thing, you save image or you copy image address, right? So you put it right here. Can you see that? So can you see that? So you can save this and re-edit all of this information anyhow you want to re-edit it. Can you see that? I can save this and re-edit it and upload back to free class / images / certificate one.jpg. Can you see that? So that's how to replace any image, right? So now the next thing we are going to do right here is to what? Look at the text, right? So the text on these pages, let's say I want to change any of these texts. Let's say, okay, like I see support of FS crypto, so I want to change it. I want to change phone number, right? I want to change some of all these information. So all you have to do is what? Locate the files. Yeah. So let's go back to our file manager. So the first file that we would like to locate, let's go back to free class. So the first file will be index. Can you see that? Index. So if I click on this index, then you click on edit, and click on edit. Can you see that? So now let's come here now. So achieve your goals, long-term success through e-learning, consistent returns. Can you see that? About the company at FS. So you don't need this FS. So you need at your domain name. Look at. So anywhere you see free FS crypto should be replaced with what? Free class BTC. So because we don't need this. Can you see that? We just clone this. So we don't need these guys again. So anywhere you see FS crypto, replace it with what? Free class BTC. Right? So just come here, press Control. Make sure you click here. Look at it to click here. Press Control F. Can you see that? Then press Control H. So see that F and Control H. So anywhere I see free FS crypto, change the word free class BTC. Can you see that? Anywhere I see that, so I just click on replace all. I see that replace all, 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 replace all. I see that. Just click on replace all. Can you see that? Replace all. Then you click on save. So let's come here now and refresh. So let's come to our front end and refresh. Can you see that? Free class BTC. Awesome. Can you see that? Free class BTC. Can you see that? Free class BTC. Can you see that? It will just replace it. Yeah, free class BTC. Can you see that? It's just going to replace free class BTC. Can you see that? It's going to replace all the information. Everything will be replaced. Can you see that? So if you also want to edit anything you want to edit, let's say you want to edit, okay, let's say you want to come here, you want to edit something in our features, all you need to do, just come here, say our features, just copy our features. So I'll just copy this, I'll say come here. So let me remove I don't want this, so let me just remove these two guys. So I just click inside again and say Ctrl F, and then put this one here. Can you see that our features, and press enter? So our features will come here. So you see all of the information in our features. Can you see that? Freekers Investment provides some significant features which benefit all its investors. Can you see that? So maybe I just want to write it. We are the best investment company in Europe. So you just type. Can you see that? Can you see that? So then you do what? You just save. So when you come back right here, you see that what I saved will appear here. Can you see that? Can you see that? We are the best mates. We are the best. Can you see that? So it's going to appear here. So all of these, you also see them legal companies. So if I come here now and if I type legal company, can you see that? See that legal company? Can you see that? Save. So if you check right here, is it legal company? Can you see that? Legal company, can you see that? Safe and secure. So if you want to change all of these, invariably that's how you're going to change it. So this is even the plans, right? So if you come to our plans also, you can also change whatever you want to change. So maybe your plan is different. So you come to our plans. Can you see that? Can you see our plans? So after 18, can you see that $20, 1,500. So maybe this $20, I want it to be $100. Can you see that? $100. So I'll just click on changes. Can you see that? So I just come here, refresh. So here we have $20, it's going to be $100. Here we have it. Can you see that? Minimum of $100. Can you see that? So anything you want, so that is how you can just go ahead and what change it. So the next we are going to do is that we need to now connect all of these buttons. These buttons, register now, and all of that should be connected to our own script, right? So the same thing if you come to affiliates. So click on affiliate. So you see affiliate is taking you to another site. So that's very cool. So you just leave that out. Very cool for them. So if you come to payment proof, I think it's also leading you to another site. So can you see that? So it's come to payment proof. Can you see that? So that's the way they did it. So that's just that. So leading to another site. So if you come to FAG, okay, see FAG, the hashes, nothing is on FAG. So if you come to support, I think they also have an Instagram. Okay, Telegram. So can you see support? So you have to change that to your own Telegram and link. Can you see that? So invariably, this is just one page website. So if you click on read more, so if you read more, you see that it's going to take you to this index one. Can you see that? This is another file, index one. Can you see that? Which is like the about us. So index one. Can you see that? So if it has internal pages, all you need to do. So the one we are editing just now is index. So let's remove that. So let's go for index one. Look at it, index one. Can you see that? Index one. So you right click again, edit. So if it has internal pages, even if it's 100, even if it's 10, if it's 20, you need to change it. So you see the index page saying Coin Capital Exchange. Look at it, Coin Capital Exchange. So look at it, Coin Capital Exchange. So I want to change it to free class. So this is the title. So anything you want to remove, just do it here. So free BTC class. You see that? So click on save changes. So if I come here and I refresh, this guy will change to free BTC class. And you see that? So let's say if we go back to this home page one, you see string Coinbase, Coin Capital Exchange, and that's not the name of our site. So you have to also come back here to come to the index file. This is our index file. So you edit it and you click on edit. So it's going to be here. So you also need to change it to free BTC class. Can you see that? So let's go down. I think there's a place I saw their email. Something like that. So support at, look at their email, support at. So I'll click remove it, support at free BTC class.com. Can you see the way I'm doing it? So see 2020, I'll change it to 2021. So invariably you can just look inside the page like this, and everything is right here. You can just go ahead and change whatever you want to change. So I've changed that. So let me go back to the website. So this is the website. So I refresh. Awesome. So you see that. So even these images, you want to change the same thing, you just want to copy image address and replace this image. So if you also click on no more, so you see that no more is taking you to index 1, so which we have changed. So you see it's showing FX crypto. So you have to also go right here and change that FX crypto. So you see what I've changed. And this one is saying FX crypto. So you go to the index 1. So this is the index 1 file. So you also do Control F, Control H. You see that anywhere you see, where is it? Anywhere you see FX crypto, maybe FX crypto, you have to change it to. Anywhere you see FX crypto, change it to what? Free class BTC. So you click on replace, 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 replace. Can you see that it's going to replace everything? So I can come here and put 2021. So I think I saw they have their mail, so I can remove these and say free class. Can you see that support at free class? Can you see that? BTC.com. So I can save that. So that is how to change all of the information on the internal pages of your website. So you see that all is going to change right away. Can you see that free class BTC? So that's how to change all of the information on your site. So now that we have changed all of the information, let me just click this logo. See, if you click logo, it's going to index 2. Can you see that index 2? So you have to go and look for this index 2 file and also change all of this information, right? So but let me just go back to the main page from here. So I'll just go back to the main page. Awesome. So right now I want to now integrate this register and login to my own script, right? So I have a particular script that I'm going to use for this, right? So you need to have your own particular script that you're going to use for this. After this training, I'm going to show you how you can also get this script. Can you see that? So this is my particular script that I'm going to use for this particular training. So this is my investment script, and if I come inside this DB, look at inside this DB, there is a database. Look at it. This is my database file. So like I told you, you cannot clone all of these from any site, right? You can only clone the front pages and the design, but you cannot clone all of these because all of these are hidden files. So can you see that? So this is the database that I want to use, and this is the script that I also want to use for this particular design, right? So this is the script I want to use for this particular design. So all I'm going to do right here is that I'm just going to let's go back to my desktop. So I'm just going to right click on this, and then I'm going to send to, then I'm going to compress. So it means I'm going to compress this whole file, right? So this whole file is going to compress for me right away. Awesome. So awesome. So that has been zipped. So you can see it right here. So that's been zipped. So I'm just going to upload this script right into my cPanel again. So let's go to my cPanel. So you see I've finished this, uploaded it. So let's go to my cPanel again. So just come to my file manager, and I'm in my free class. Can you see that? I'm in my free class. So also I would like to create a folder that I want to use for this particular script, right? I want to create a folder. So just click on create a folder and just call it so I'm just going to call it any name of my choice. So I'm going to give it a name and say USS. I'm going to call it back, right? So I'm going to call it back, maybe something like back office. So I click on create new. So back. So open it. So I click on upload. I click on select files, and then I click on show files. So this is the BTC script. Look at it here. So I'll upload it. Can you see that? So it's going to upload right away. So just follow my tutorials. It's very simple, and you see how I get all of these done. So it's just going to take some time, and it's going to upload right there for me. So let's wait for it to upload. So while uploading, right? So the next thing we're going to do while it's uploading is to go and create a database, right? So I'll go back to my cPanel. So then I'm going to create a database. So I'll click create data. Can you see that database? So I'll say MySQL database wizard. So create a database. So I want to create a database now to link. So I'll just call it free class BTC, free class DB. So you see that free class DB. I'll click on next. Then I'm going to create a user. I'll say free class user. Can you see that? Then I'll generate a password. Please, when you are generating a password, sorry for this script, make sure the password does not have any special characters. So I'll just click generating. Can you see that? So you can see this one has a special character. I'll just click on inside. I'll remove the special character. It's very important to remove the special character. For this particular script I'm using, I don't want it. So this is it. I'll just copy this. So I'm going to copy that. So I'm going to open a notepad. So I'm going to paste it on the notepad. Sorry, let me just reduce my font right here. So I'm going to put the password right here. So I'll click on, I have copied this password in a safe place. Can you see that? And click on use password. Can you see that? So the password has been used, and you click on create user. Can you see that? Then you copy these guys here. Please copy these and keep them because we're going to use them again. So I'm going to paste this right here. Can you see that? So I'll click on all privileges. Then I'll click on what? Next step. Awesome. Can you see that? So click on next step. So click on next step. So the next thing I go to back to my cPanel, right? So click on go back to my cPanel. Then I'm going to come to PHP my admin. So I'll type PHP. Can you see that? PHP my admin. So I open PHP my admin. So when I open PHP my admin, I'm going to see the file, the folder, the database that I created. So why doing that? Let's see. Okay, this is still on 2%. So this is the database that I created. Can you see that free class DB? Can you see that? So free class DB. So I'm going to open that database. So see, I have a lot of database. So you might not have that. So this is my own. Can you see that? Don't make mistake. So this is my free class DB. So the database is open. So I click on import. Then I click on choose file. Then I go to show files. Then I'll just, this is the folder, open it. And I told you it's inside this DB. Open it. So this is the file we need. So I'll open it. Then I'll click on open. Then I'll scroll down and click on go. So it's going to take some time. Awesome. So can you see that? It has been uploaded. So if I click on my free class DB again from here, let it finish loading. So can you see that? If I click on my free class DB, can you see that free class DB? So it's going to load all of the files and folders inside the database, all of the files. Can you see that? So this is my admin table. So if I click on my admin table, I'm going to see my admin information. So can you see that? I'm going to see my admin information. So this is my admin information, and if I go to BTC, I'm going to see some really good information that I need here. Right, can you see that? So, but if I go back to admin, I'm also going to see my admin wallet. So this is my admin wallet. Can you see that? I can double click and change the admin wallet from here. Can you see that? But we are going to change all of that. So let's see if our file has been fully uploaded. So you see our file is in 63. So let's just wait for this to fully upload. Awesome. So please ensure that when this fully uploads, make sure it shows this green. It's very important. Make sure it shows this green. So it has fully uploaded. So I'll just click on go back. So let me go back right here. So you can see that. So I'll just reload. So this is it. So I'm going to extract again as usual. Right click and click on extract. And click on extract files. So it's going to extract that file from me right away. So that's extracted. I'll click on close. So I'll double click on this, I'll open it. So I want to move all of this information. I'll select it all, and click on what move. Where am I moving to? I'm moving it to back. Can you see that? Moving it to back. So click on move files. So all of them has been moved to back, right? So let me look for my free class again. Free class. So this is free class, right? So this is back. Can you see that? So this is where it is. So this is where the script is that will control the what? The register login that you're seeing here. Can you see that? The register login that you're seeing here, and the join our program that you're seeing here, and the register here that you're seeing here, because we are going to remove their own function and replace with our own, right? So let me just close this guy, close this guy. Don't close this guy. So now so I can know what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm just open this up. Can you see that? Open this up, right? So when you open this up, just go to the config, double click and open. So you see one file called DB, right? So this is a file called DB. So right click on this file, then click on edit, and click on edit again. So can you see that when you edit that file, you will see the DB username, DB password, and DB name. Can you see that? DB username, DB password, and DB name. So let's come here. So I'll just copy. This is the password. Right, this is the password. So I'll come here, you see DB password. I'll just open it. So I'll put the password right here. So this is the username. I'll copy the username. So DB username. So I put the username. Can you see that? And so this is it, the database. The database, valid DB name. So I'll copy this, and I'm going to put it right here. Can you see that? So I'm just going to click on Save Changes. Awesome. So the database has been connected, right? So let's go to back again, and let me just show you something. So go to back again, and so let's go to users. Awesome. Let's go to users, and let's go to form. So inside here, we're going to see the sign in and the sign up. Can you see that? The sign in and the sign up. So let's do something. So if I copy this link right here, right? So we want to retrieve this the sign in and the sign up form right here. Can you see that? So I go to form. So this is the form. Let me come back here. So we'll see what the sign in. So I'll just right click on this and click on rename. So I'll copy this. This is the sign in. So form / sign in, right? Right. So I'll come here again and say form. So let me edit, rename, sign up. So you see that? So this will now be sign up. So I'll just copy this guy here. Can you see that? So this will now be the link to our sign-in, and this is the link to our sign up. But don't forget, it's going to be on what? It's going to be on what? Webitmedia.com/free class. So I'm going to copy this guy here. So this will now come right here. Can you see that? So webitmedia.com/free class/bag/user/form/sign-in. The same thing with this. I'm just going to put this right here. Awesome. So I'm going to put a slash. So let's test it if our sign-in, our sign-up form are going to work. So I'll just copy this, and then I'm going to take this right here and paste it right here. So let's see if that's going to come up for us. Awesome, 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 awesome. So let's see the register. Let's click on the register. Awesome, awesome. Can you see that? Awesome, awesome. So let me open this in a new tab. So we have the sign in here. Can you see that? We have the sign in and we have the what? We have the sign up. So let's go right and integrate this part into this guy here, So we are going to remove this, where is it? I think that's also, and it's where you see join program, register now, register. So you have to remove them and put your own link, right? So let's first of all go to the index file. So let's go back here. Oh, this is so awesome. So let's go to free class. Let's go back to free class. So this is free class. Awesome. So this is free class. So I'll first of all go to index one. So if I were you, I will remove it from all of these files here because all of these files exist inside the server. So, but I'm just going to remove it from only this index file here. So the same way I remove it from here, that's how you're going to remove it and replace from all page. So I'm going to right click on this, then I'm going to click on edit, and I click on edit. So I'll just click on F So anytime I see login, I'll search for login. Can you see that? So when you say login, can you see that BTN value? Can you see that login.html? Can you see that login? So this leads to their login, and this leads to their registration. So I'll copy my login. So this is my login. So I'll copy this login, and I'll come here. So this is their login link. So I remove their login link. Can you see that? This is how to integrate it. So I'll put my own login link. Can you see that? Then I'll come back right here and take my sign up page and remove their own registration page. Where's the registration? Register. Register. Okay, look at their own registration link. Can you see that? So I'll remove this right here and I'm going to put mine. So I'm going to save that. Awesome. So I think they still have it somewhere inside. They still have it when you come to join our program. So let's look for join our program. So I'll just search for join our program. So this is join our program. So let me look for the link. Join our program. So join our program. So let me look for that link. So you have to take time to look for that link. Let me go back to see join our program. Join our program. So there's supposed to be a link there. Okay, look at it. Registration.html. Can you see that? So join our program. This is it. So I'm going to remove that and put my link. Can you see that? Sign up. Can you see that? So where do they also have that? Join our program. They also have something like register. So register also exists somewhere. So let me just check register. Register. So register. Register. So this is register. Yeah, look at the link right here. So I'm just going to remove this. And so I'm going to paste this. Awesome. I'm going to click on save changes. Awesome, awesome. Can you see that? So I've been able, right, to remove to change that, right? So let me go back to my front page. So when I click on refresh, so let's just test all our links. Let's test them. So click on register. Boom, bang, 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 gang, gang. Can you see that? So let me go back one more step and click on login. So you click on login. Boom, can you see that? Login, can you see that? Boom, can you see that? Register and login. So now this register, let's see this copy image address. So there's a logo right here that we also do really need to change. So the logo is in so the logo exists right here. So let's see where this logo exists. From here again, let me see copy image address. So can you see this logo exists somewhere inside the admin CWA logo 3? That's where it exists. So we need to change this link, or this is not a link to our site. If this logo is clicked, it's going to go to another site. So let's look for how we are going to change that logo. So let's load this. Just follow me and right click on this, then click on copy image address, then put it right here. Can you see that this is the link to my logo? So I'll copy this link now. Can you see that? Copy this link and I'll put it right here. So let me Ctrl Z first. All right. So it's going to end here. This is where it's going to end. This place. So I'll just remove it like this. Can you see that? Just remove everything. Yes, that's it. So I'm going to paste that right here. Yes, that's it. So I'm going to click on what? Save changes. Awesome. So I'll do the same thing for my sign in. So I did sign in, so I'm going to do the same thing for my sign up. So I'll click on edit. And I'll click on edit. So let me just Ctrl F and search for logo. So it's going to take me right here again. So you see this. So from this double quotation to where double quotation ends, that where you remove. So I'll remove this. Can you see that? And put this. So from quotation to quotation, right? So I'm going to put that right here. So I'm going to save that, right? So let's refresh this page and see if the logo has been changed, right? So let's refresh this page. So you see, let's go back to Incognito. So don't always forget, use Incognito, to see your changes, because your changes might not actually pop up immediately. but with incognito, your changes are going to what? They are going to pop up. So it does not pop up, but it's going to pop up. So let me just right click, copy image address, and put it right here. So the changes have not taken effect, but the change is going to take effect. So let's come right here and let's just remove this. So we have saved this, right? So let's remove these two guys and let's reload, right? So let's reload this. Reload this. Reload this. So then there's another thing we're going to do again. So when you sign in or when you sign up, there are some messages you're going to receive on your email. They come from this sign in and sign up page. So let's edit those messages. So I click on this again and I click on edit. So let's see sign up. So when you sign up, so let's scroll down. Let me show you something. Yeah, you see that when you sign up, it's going to say welcome to NNVest. We are happy to have you as a member. So you have to change this information here. So welcome to, can you see that? Free BTC class. So you have to change it to your own name. Can you see that? You have to change it. Please do not reply to this email. We sent email. So you can see that copy 2020. Can you see that? So copyright 2020 name. So you can just copyright 2020 and all of that. So can you see that? So please, so this is the information here. So you can change that too. So let me just save this. So I'll do that also for the signin.php. So let's edit, click on edit. So let's see if there is a mail that is also sent. You see that your account was logged in from. So anytime your account is logged in, contact the manager to secure your account. This information will be sent. Can you see that? Thank you for investing all of this information. So you can change all of those information to something that you really like. Can you see that? So you can change all of those information to something that you really like. I'm just going to save that. So don't forget again. So let's go back to our site. So you see that we have integrated. Can you see that? We have integrated the front page. Can you see that? To the register. Can you see that? And we have also integrated to what? To the login. Can you see that? Awesome. Let's change this logo right here. So we're going to change the logo in the login and the sign up page, right? So this is the login. So this is the login and this is the sign up page. So we have to change the logo in these two pages, right? So let's go right away and change this logo. So I'm going to go back to my site, then I'm going to go to back, then I'm going to go to users. Let's go to users and go to forms. Then let's open the sign in, edit. Then let's go to the sign up, so edit. So we're going to remove our logo from these two. So this is the sign in and this is the sign up. So let's go to the sign in first. Click inside and say Ctrl F and type logo, right? So let's search for the logo. So we have so this is the link to our logo. Don't forget, so the link to our logo. So this is the link to our logo. So we put this right here. This is the link to our logo, right? Logo one. Okay, we have logo one right here. Okay, this is the link to the logo we want to use. So let's copy this link and let's come here and so let's type and check for logo again. So logo, yes. So you see that logo image source. So we'll remove this link right here. Can you see that? We'll remove this link, everything right here. It will remove that and put our link right here and save changes. Right, so let me search for logo more and see if that is there. Yes, we have removed that. So let's go to the sign in. So click inside Ctrl F, then type for logo. Right, so this is our logo link also. See, press logo back one more time and logo again and then logo again. Yes, you're going to see that. So you're going to see that. So this is where it's echoing this from. So we don't want this echo. Just copy all of this right here and so when you get to the double quote, right, so you remove that. Awesome. So let's save that. that has been saved. So let's close that, and let's close this. So let's go back to our server. Let's reload our server, reload again, reload again. So let's access our website and see. So let's refresh this. So we're going to refresh. Awesome. Can you see that the logo has been changed? Awesome. So let's go to the login. Awesome, awesome. The logo has been changed. Awesome, awesome. Can you see that? So the next thing we're going to do is we are going to look for the admin login of this, right? So we need to sign in to the admin. So let me get the admin link. Get the admin link, right? So the admin link is going to be something like this: admin, right? CO2 admin, and it's going to be something like sign in, right? So it's going to be sign in, which is going to be like //bar. So this is going to be something like this: free class /bar /admin /keywords. So let's just copy this and we put it right here. So you can see that admin /keyword. So let me just put it right here. So you see that, so free class /back /c2 admin /signin.php. So this is going to be the admin. So I'm going to put this inside the readme file for you. So in case you have access, you are going to see all of this inside the file. So let's just remove this. So it's going to be like this. So we are now going to copy this link right here and put it right here and say slash. So it's going to be https webmedia/free class /back /admin /c2 admin /signin.php. So let's copy this admin guy and see if that really takes us to the admin. So let's log in the admin. Awesome. Can you see that? So that logs us right into the admin. So let's just go right into the database and change our admin. So I can say admin at freeclass.com. So this is the admin. So the password is what? Admin. So I just click outside. So the password is what? Admin123. Can you see that? Admin123. So let's just copy this. I'm going to copy this right here and then I'm going to paste it right here. So that is the password. So this is going to be admin123. So I'll go in. So let's see. Awesome, awesome. This is so beautiful. Awesome. So you see, we have logged into the admin of this. Can you see that? Admin has been logged in. So when you get to the admin, all you need to do is just go to what? Settings. Can you see that? So settings. So set the website name to your website name. So our own right here is webmedia.com/free class. So I'm just going to put a link to our website right here. Can you see that? That's the link to our website. Then I will now say change this name to free class, right? So you see 200 here. Let's remove it. So withdrawal limit 200. So you can say your withdrawal limit should be $100. See bonus 20 here. You can say your bonus should be $50. So anybody who register, should have $50. So then this is your admin email. Make sure you create this admin email. So I'll just make my admin email admin@webmedia.com. So I'm just going to do something like, I'll say free class at webmedia.com. So I'm just going to create that. Let me just go and create that. So I'll just copy this. Let me go to my cPanel. So I'll go to one email. So you make sure you create that account. So I'll go to email account. So email account. So I'm going to create a new email and I'm going to call it free class. So it's going to be free class at webmedia. Can you see that? So let me just put any password. I'm going to generate a password and I'm going to click on create. Awesome. So let me view that. So this is the admin email. So I'm just going to copy this admin email right here. I'm going to copy that admin email right here and take this admin email and put it right here. Can you see that? So welcome to free class. So free class, don't forget, it's your website name, right? So put it there, 2021. Then put your phone number there. Awesome. Can you see that? So when you do that, just click on what? Update settings. Awesome. So when you update settings, you see that it will seem as if it didn't change. Just go back to home page, right? And go back to what settings again. You will see the changes will be made. So you come to admin wallet, right? So you see that this is the admin wallet. So you have to remove this admin wallet and put your own Bitcoin in wallet, right? So make sure you put your own wallet. So let me just change this. So I put this wallet BKH. So I'm going to upgrade it. So can you see that the details have been changed? And also you can also take these details and change it from your admin wallet area here. Can you see that? So let's say this is what you want your admin wallet to be. Let me just please remove this. Put sorry. So let me. So you can just copy and paste. I don't want to go and copy. So put. Can you see that? So you just copy it. So you change it. So you can change your admin wallet right from here. Can you see that it has been changed? So let me just go back to my back end and then click on home. Don't forget, just check it. So let's go to admin wallet again. So you see that the admin wallet has changed. Can you see that? So I can also just change it right here. Can you see that? And what upgrade, right? So you can also put your perfect money. So if you want people to be able to pay you with perfect money, right? Awesome. So we have set up our admin. So how do you now set up the investment package? So you see, these are the investment package with our website again. It's our website again. Awesome. So this is our website again, and here is our packages. So here's our packages. So here's our packages. Here's our packages. Okay, so you can see that. So 15% after 18 hours, 30% after 24 hours, and all of that. So after 7 days. So let's go and set up our own packages, right? So let's go and set up our own packages. So all you need to do is just come to investor management. Can you see that? There you see you just go to manage packages. Look at it. So you click view on added packages. Can you see that? So these are the packages. So you can actually delete a package. Let's say this package I want to delete it. So I can click on it. You see that that package has been deleted successfully. So I can add a new package. Can you see that? So I go to manage package. So you can see I can add a new package. So I can say package name ultimate. So daily percentage increase, I want to say 50% every day. So activation bonus $50 when I activate, give me $50. Package duration should be what, 4 days. Package price so package should be from what, $1,000 to what, and $10,000, right? So I'll click on add package. So can you see that? So if I go back to manage packages and I click on view added packages, I'm going to see that package there. Can you see that ultimate from $1,000 to $10,000, 4 days, 50% activation, and see that 50% profit daily. Awesome. So that is how to set up your admin in, right? So if I go to requested transaction, anybody that make withdraw, I'm going to see the withdraw here. Anybody that make deposit, I'm going to also see the deposit right here in this tab. Awesome. So let me just go ahead and register on this side. So first of all, let me go back to investors management. I'm going to see all of the investors in this website. So if I click on investors management, view investors. So you see the investors that I already have on this side. Can you see that? Investors management, view investors, manage users. So this my users, so I can delete users. You see that? I can delete users already in the database. I can delete all of them. And then I can delete all of them. I see that all those users. Let me go back to view investors. I click on view investors. So you see that all of them has been deleted. So withdrawal requests. So there are some withdrawal requests. I can also delete them. Can you see that? I can delete them. Delete them. The ones I have. Delete them. Delete them. Delete them. Delete them. So I can delete all of them. Let me just remove all of them so you see. Remove all and remove all. So we're left with our packages. Can you see that? So our transaction withdrawal. So let me see deposit orders also. So these are the deposit orders. So let's remove all of them too. So you can clean it up so that you can do fresh stuff for you and your client. Right, so remove all of that. It's very, very easy I'm very flexible. So I'm going to remove all of that. So can you see that? So let me go back to our home. So if I go back to our home, you see everything is fresh right here. So now let me now register on this site. So let me go to the front page as a user, as a new user. I want to register on this website. So I'll just click on register. All right. So my username, I'll say, let me say Young. My email is Gisheun. So password. So I put my phone number, and I'll select my country, and I put my address. And you see that? So I click on what? Accept terms, then I click on what? Sign up. Can you see that? You have registered successfully. Can you see that? So now let me now log in. I'm going to log in with this. I click on sign in. Boom. Can you see that? This is so great. Wow. This is so great. This is so great. So let me see. Let's just check our email. We're going to get email. You know, we edited that email the other time. So let's see if that email is going to pop out right here. So we edited that email. So let's see if that email is going to just pop out right here. So let's see that for the primary. Okay, let's go to more and go to, let's see the spam. Awesome. Can you see that? Awesome. Can you see that? It appeared right here. Can you see that? It appeared right here. It appeared right here. Can you see that? It appeared right here. Can you see that? Welcome message. So I've used this email a lot. So on the script, so that's why can you see, welcome to Free BTC. Can you see that? Happy to join us. Can you see that? So let's go back to the spam. So let's go. Can you see that? Thanks. Your account was logged in. Can you see that? So when I log in, it shows right here. So I can just say report not spam, right? So I click report not spam so that it can also come to my inbox every time. So can you see that free class? So can you see that free class account login details here? So you see that I've logged in. Icon. Can you see that? I'm logging right here, and here's my username. Awesome. So now, how do I now make investment? So let me just go and make investment. So the first thing you need to do is what? When you come here, you need to go to your profile and go to update your wallet so that you can be paid to inside your wallet. So I'm just going to enter my wallet. So this is my wallet. Can you see that? So this is my wallet. I'm opening on upgrade wallet. So your wallet will be added. So if I go back to my home page and come to my profile here and then go to wallet. So log out. Let me log out and log in. So when I sign in again, my wallet will be right here. So let me go back to my profile and then go back to wallet address. Awesome. Can you see that? So when you sign out and sign in, your wallet will be right here waiting for you. So when I go to what investment packages, I'm going to see all of the packages admin created. Can you see that? All of the packages that admin created will appear here. But let me just go to deposit and then how much I want to deposit. So let me say I want to deposit $2,000. So I want to deposit $2,000. So I'll place my transaction, put my transaction ID. For my BTC, and I'm depositing. So this is the Bitcoin address. So I copy the Bitcoin address. Can you see that? I copy it. So this, when I have transferred money to this Bitcoin wallet address, I cannot go ahead and click on deposit. Awesome. Can you see that? Your deposit of $2,000 is currently under review. Your transaction ID is this. Your balance will be credited once your account has been deposited. So admin is going to see that I have deposited $2,000. Right? So because I've already copied the wallet of the admin, don't forget this is the wallet of the admin that we put from the back end. Can you see that? So this is how admin collects and makes its money. This is awesome, right? Very awesome. So admin has collected its funds, right? So now let's go to the admin and check if that money actually came. So let's just refresh our admin. So you're going to see it, right? Can you see that total invested one person? Can you see that total amount deposited $2,000? Awesome. So let's go to requested transaction, then let's go to deposit orders. Can you see that? See the deposit order, $2,000. So you are going to now do what? Admin now go to what? Approve it. Can you see that? Approve. So immediately I click on approve. Can you see that? Transaction approved. So now let's go back and log in as a user. So let's just go home. Awesome. Can you see that? $2,000 and my $50 activation bonus. Oh my God. Oh God. Can you see that? $2,000 my $50 activation bonus. Can you see that? $2,050. So now I want to go and invest now, right? So I just go to my packages. So I go to what? Investment packages. So when I come to investment packages, so I want to invest from this or this one. So I click on select plan. Can you see that? So package has been successfully selected. Click here to activate. So I click here. Can you see that? So how do I now activate? So I'll just put the amount I want to activate here, say $2,000. Can you see that? Put $2,000, or let me put $1,500. Can you see that? 1,000. So this is $1,500. So can you see that? So I'll just click on what? Activate. Can you see that? Your package is successfully activated. So you see that 4 days to end. This is the end date. This is the activation date. This is my package, and this is my daily percent. So every day when I log into this account, I will see that what my fund, which is 1,500, is increasing. So if I log in tomorrow, it's going to increase with another 1,500. Next tomorrow, it's going to increase until 4 days, where I can now what? Make withdrawal. So let me just go back to my home page, right? So let me just go back to my home page. You see that I already have $2,100 because the first day has already been given to me immediately I invest. Can you see that? My $1,500, plus my $500 and my activation has already been given to me immediately I invest. So I cannot even place withdrawal for this. So let's say withdrawal. Can you see that? So I have $2,100. You see that? Request Bitcoin withdrawal. I can click on Bitcoin withdrawal and say, well, I want $2,000. Let's say I want to withdraw $2,000. Click on withdraw. So you see that your withdrawal cannot be complete. Please verify your account first. So I have to verify my account before I withdraw. Can you see that? So all the verification information are right here in my account. So I go to my profile and I go to verify account. Can you see that? I need to upload my picture and upload everything I have to upload. Then when I upload it right here, and admin has to come right here and say verify user. So let me go to investors management and see verify investors. So any information that is uploaded, can you see that? Any information that is uploaded, admin will verify it. So I can click on verify. So can you see that? This account has been verified. Can you see that? This account has been verified. So if I go back there and try to make a withdrawal again, so if I go back there and try to make a withdrawal, let's go back to my home page and let's go to withdrawal. Let's say withdrawal because I've been verified. So let's say I want to request Bitcoin withdrawal. I want to request $2,000, and I'll click on withdraw. So it's going to see what's going to happen. You see that your withdrawal of 2,000 worth of BTC sent. Can you see that? Created once your request is approved. So once your request is approved and admin approves it, you see that that money is going to leave this your account. So if I go back to the admin, I'm going to see that request that that particular person has made. So let's go back to requested transaction. So go to withdrawal request. So if I go to withdrawal request, I'm going to see pending $2,000. Can you see that? Then I can even do what? Complete this withdrawal. Can you see that? Awesome. This is so awesome. This is so awesome. So you can see that this is so awesome. This is so awesome, right? So this is how this script work, right? So this is how you can integrate both the front end, both the back end, both the admin end, and everything into this website. Is that okay? So this is very unique and beautiful. So like I said before, this script is not free. I spent hundreds of thousands of naira to get the script, and it is not free of charge because I'm not just going to put it in the hands of everybody and let it be clouded all over the internet. So once it's been clouded all over the internet, anybody who wants to use it, it makes no sense again. Before you know, it's not going to work. Something I spent millions of naira to do with time and effort to actually get this done. So as a student of mine, if you want to get this script, You're going to pay 20,000 naira. You're going to chat me and pay 20,000 naira. I'm just going to give you this script as a student of mine, 20,000 naira, and I'll give you access to how you can download this script and you can use the script. So thank you guys for listening and thank you for taking action. Take action. There is money to be made online. I make nothing less than 150K, 100K every single day. Right? So take action and make money. Right? Take action. A lot of people need this kind of website, and you are just going to deliver to them. Somebody paid me 600,000 to do something like this for him recently. Something I'm giving you for free, and some people do not even value it. Some people come to my inbox to say nonsense. My prayer for you is that if you come to my inbox and say nonsense, this thing will not work for you. That's my prayer for you. But if you appreciate me, this thing is going to work so much for you. That's just the truth. So thank you guys. I'll see you in the next class.